guys, my name is DERATHEBEE and I'm a Nigerian fashion designer. Welcome to the Hive. So a few days ago, a client came in with a bunch of clothes she wanted me to mend, and out of them are 2 outfits she wants to entirely reinvent into something else. So the first cloth is a gown. It happens that this gown no longer sizes the client, so she asked me to turn it into a top, but she wasn't really specific. But I remember she mentioned something about wanting like a shirt like something, but I explained to her that it's going to be quite difficult because first of all, the fabric is not enough. I have limited fabric to work with, and secondly, the silhouette of the gown, it's flared, so it might be hard to produce a shirt out of that. So because she wanted a shirt in the first place, I decided to go with an off-shoulder shirt like top. At the middle here, it has this opening. There's going to be buttons here. This is the sleeve. On these parts, I plan to put shoulder straps going like this to the back. Also, there's going to be a collar. I don't know. I hope with these explanations, you can envision what I'm trying to achieve here. So I cut out these 2 rectangles for the collar. I'm going to be joining these 2 pieces together because I need just one long piece. Next, I'm going to just fold this into 2 and stitch this edge down together and also stitch this edge down together. So this is it. I'm just going to go ahead and fix it around the shoulders like this. Next thing is to work on the shoulder straps. These are the 2 shoulder straps, 10.5 inches in length for each of them. I'll probably have 10 inches left by the time I'm done fixing them to the top. So the second outfit is a gown as well. A very long off-shoulder gown, gathered almost slightly at the waist, with a flared cape going around the shoulders. The client doesn't fancy this style anymore. So what you can see me doing now is separating the upper part of the gown from the lower part. During my meeting with her, she said I could maybe turn it into a pair of shorts or a short skirt with an open slit in front. Finally, she decided on the skirt, and by the time I was about to start working on it, I sent her a last-minute text asking her if she would be okay with some cargo jeans inspired concept for the skirt, and she immediately agreed to it. So that's the concept I'm working with right now. I'm not quite sure I've seen a cargo skirt made with an Ankara print fabric before, so I'm pretty excited to see how this turns out. I actually don't plan to fully replicate a cargo skirt. I'll just be taking 1 or 2 things from the concept. For this project, I'll only be taking the idea of the pocket style and the long rectangle strips that almost always has no purpose for the design in general. Besides these 2 things, it would just be a normal high waist skirt with a waistband. Matter of fact, that's the part I'm literally working on right now. Okay, so since we're going for a cargo skirt inspired look, I decided to make these straps. So I've got 2 long ones and 4 shorter ones. On each of these straps, I plan to put eyelets. So I just want to show you guys how I'm going to go about putting these eyelets. First of all, I've marked the points where I want to put them with a blue chalk. I hope you can see that clearly. The next thing I'm going to be doing is to use my soldering iron to create holes at those points. Very seamless. I've made the first hole. I don't know if you can see. The next thing I like to do after I make the hole is to put a pencil through it, just to, I don't know why I do this, but I just put a pencil through it just to ensure that a pencil can pass. Next, I just take an eyelet and push it through. This shit is usually so hard, like I don't know why. It's usually very unnecessarily hard to get through. So I think I finally succeeded in getting this eyelet through. So next thing, I'll just be using this pin to secure it in place. So I'll just go ahead and do the rest like that. So I just fix the straps on the front part of the skirt. As you can see, there's a flap here for the side pockets. On this other side of the pocket, there's no flap, so I want to go ahead and fix that flap right now. This is the flap. After fixing this flap, I'll just go ahead to fix these remaining 2 straps on the skirt. This is the zipper for the skirt. As you can see, the skirt is open. After I'm done attaching the straps, I'm just going to close the skirt up and attach the zipper. And that's going to be all for the skirt. So this is the final result, the final look of the skirt on a mannequin. Please let me know what you think about this transformation. I sent a picture to the client and she absolutely loved it, but I'll still love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Also, please subscribe to the channel to see more sewing videos from me, and also like this video so it can reach more people. I'm on all social media platforms at DERATHEBEE. I hope I get to see you in my next video. Bye!